Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop the Adobe Genuine Service alert on your Mac. First, we will delete the Adobe GCC client folder, which is the most effective method. Start by opening Finder. At the top of your screen, click on Go in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Go to Folder. A small window will appear. In that box, type /library/application support/Adobe, then press Enter. Now you will see a list of Adobe-related folders. Look for a folder named Adobe GCC Client or Adobe Genuine Service. Once you find it, right-click on it and choose Move to Trash. This removes the service from your system. Next, repeat the similar steps, but this time in the user library. After that, we will use the Adobe Cleanup utility. Open Finder and go to Applications, then open the Utilities folder. Inside, look for Adobe Genuine Service. Double-click on Adobe Cleanup utility. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to uninstall the service completely. Once finished, empty your trash and restart your Mac to make sure all changes take effect. That is it. The Adobe Genuine Service alert should now be gone. Thanks for watching.